bit more straight. All right, now that hard drive.
Cranker.
But just wait, don't go like super quick.
Oh, he's gonna have to back up a bit. His tire ain't gonna clear.
All right, yeah, back up a tiny bit. Yeah, just back up straight for a tiny bit. All right, stop, and then crank it.
Is it gonna clear? He might clear.
It's clearing. It's clearing.
He's got some. Luckily, he has a slider. You're gonna hit slider right now. You're hitting.
Yeah, straighten out.
Yeah, go straight. Perfect.
There we go.
Now you're gonna
go up on your passenger right tire.
Perfect.
Keep it straight. Keep it straight. Nice.
Keep her straight.
All right, and then continue coming up here. Yeah, and start hooking it.
Turn it. Turn.
Yeah, there we go. Get up on there. All right, back up a little bit. Like that, that's good. And then take that same line with a little tiny bit of momentum. But don't like jump it. Because there's this big ass rock right here, so. Alright, go ahead.
I can max track that wheel.
That one?
Yeah.
Well, you could probably get up.
If I do,
Try keeping your wheel straight, and then maybe it'll crawl up. It's like a tiny little leg. Well, you might nail it if you go fast into it. Yeah, I would back up and then give it a tiny bump.
Interesting.
You can't get up this little ledge.
how far do I need to turn once I get up over?
Yeah, but you can just 3-point it. You just need to get up onto it. Which is the hard part.
How far in front of it is me?
Like a foot?
Yeah, like a foot.
There you go. Nice, dude.
Right.
That's good shit.
Am I gonna make
Alright.
it or am I gonna hit?
Nah, you already hit.
Oh, perfect.
So I need to back up probably like 5 inches.
Turn or straight?
You can do straight. Straight.
Oh, look at that. That's pretty
Alright,
sick.
Stop. Yeah, and then crank it. Yeah. There we go.
Off the ground.
And then let's.
Jump on it. That didn't work. You can't do a bump.
Alright, that's good. Turn a little bit more, driver. Sorry, passenger. Yeah, right there.
I mean, I can tow him out. I can give him a little tow.
Yep.
Yeah, you're good.
Yep, just keep that same line. Keep going. Keep going.
Just
Maybe a little that way.
Yeah.
And then you really need to climb up this rock.
yeah, give us some beans. You got to get up on the rock.
All right, you're hitting slider. Yeah,
You're up.
you're up. All right.
Yeah, crank it hard. You can straighten it out now. Like, you just have to watch out for this rock up here. You're good, dude. And a wake of maxi tracks in the back, huh? You won't have it. Keep coming straight. Keep coming straight. You want to get up on this ledge. Okay, now start already turning. Just a bit, yeah, like that. That's good.
You got
good,
you
dude.
got room right now.
Yeah, so keep coming.
Straighten out a tiny bit. Right there, perfect.
Keep coming. Okay, now go. You gotta go a bit more. That's good. Okay, now a bit less. Yeah, like that.
You're gonna
good.
hit in about a foot,
It's gonna be cool.
but you won't hit no
coming.
panels.
Keep coming. Hold it. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, go a bit more passenger. Yep. Like
Yeah,
that.
you're on your slider right now. Oh, hold on. You're close.
Oh, you're not. You got. You'll be fine.
Should he? Oh yeah, he will.
Okay, go a bit. You gotta go a bit more. Like that. Yeah.
Oh, he's pretty squeezed in there.
There you go. Now you can straighten her out a bit. Nice. Now you can go a bit. You honestly got it. Now
Dude, you are.
passenger again. You gotta crank it hard so you don't hit this rock. No, you're not. Now just follow it. Follow it out, dude. What was that?
He dropped off the rock. Wait, straighten out. Straighten out. Straighten out. Oh. Oh, he didn't hit his mud flap.
Yeah. There you go. Now just go straight. Now just come straight. There you go.
Sorry.
Nothing. It's okay. It's a big route.
Oh, he got. How did he get over there?
He must have lost that. Yeah, you might want to 3-point turn it, or you can go sharp. Yeah, just. Oh, you're a lot smaller. Yeah, just keep going, driver. Keep going, driver.
I'm already touching now, right?
You're just touching slider. You're okay.
I just don't know if it's gonna. If I'm gonna get. Yeah, it's gonna pull me up. It's gonna suck me in.
So just try going straight, or you won't make it up.
You don't think?
No.
Yeah, that slider's holding me up. If I can get my back in.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Now keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Shit!
You might have to bump it. Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah, bump it from there. And just go a bit driver.
For that?
Yeah. Just bump it again, back up like a foot, and then do the same thing.
Oh yeah, it's really holding me up. Right there?
Yeah. I can just tow you.
Yeah, I don't want to tear the trail up too much.
You might just have to 3-point turn it a bit. Or no, you could just come up on that. Just stay, there you go. There you go. Oh, maybe not.
Stuck right there.
Dude, there's still a big rock. You got to back up more.
Oh, he's huge.
I'll
Oh my
go even a bit more. All right, now crank it hard driver. Like that, yeah. You could actually do it a bit less. Yeah, like that. Now come up. Start, just keep coming up. Make it up, make it up.
Then you'll just 3-point it. Yeah, there you go. Really get the back end over there.
Yeah, now come up. There you go. Come on up. Come on up.
Do it.
I had to bump it a bit.
Wow.
Are you going to get up on that? Yeah. I don't know. Dude, I don't even know.
Trying to drag sliders hard, I think. Dude, fuck. Dragging slider, I
There you go. There you go, dude.
Right there. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't want you to go off and have to get back up. Too much. Right there. Your back end is stuck. All right, turn this way a bit. Driver. Oh my. You're actually super close. Back up. Right there, bump it. Wow, here, back up and see if you can get your tire back this way. It's so close. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Straight. Perfect. Oh, your back end's stuck. There you go. All right, follow this way, tiny bit. Perfect. Holy cow. No, back up and come over this way. Yeah, perfect. Now straight into it. Come. Perfect. Right there. Straight. Perfect. Wait. Keep it like that. You got about a foot before you hit it. His back end's gonna hold him up right here. Wow. Can you re-situate? Dude, the Montero is gonna struggle.
Maybe come all the way over here and then see if we can like loop it around. Yeah, dude, you're chilling on your stick.
Maybe. Nope. Yeah, there's no way. Yeah, keep backing up a bit.
Back it up and crank your wheels driver, yeah. A little bit more.
Right there.
Yeah, right there. Come up here. Ooh, that smells.
That sucks to have a clutch right now, to be honest.
Alright, not even hard this way.
Keep going, keep coming.
Alright, get a little bit closer. And then like,
Hopefully his back end doesn't drop off.
yeah. And then, alright, you're gonna drop off on your back.
Do it again. Do it. Come. Turn your wheels, driver, and come forward. Whoa.
Okay, stop.
Oh. You see it bend?
Yeah, it just flexed.
No, no, no.